Welcome to the incredible world of time travel. Ever wondered if it's truly possible to journey through time? Well, let's dive into the captivating possibilities. Time travel has fascinated humanity for centuries, from the myths of ancient civilizations to the imaginative stories of science fiction. The idea of moving through time has always sparked our curiosity. In modern science, the concept of time travel gained credibility with the theory of relativity proposed by Albert Einstein. According to Einstein, time is not a constant. It can stretch and bend depending on the speed and gravity of objects. If we could travel at the speed of light, time would appear to slow down relative to someone who remains stationary. This is known as time dilation, and it's been observed in experiments with particles traveling near light speed. But what about traveling back in time? This idea is a bit more complex. Some theories suggest that wormholes could act as shortcuts through space and time, potentially allowing backward travel. However, creating a stable wormhole requires an immense amount of energy, something our current technology can't handle. Unfortunately, building a time machine that can transport us to the past or future remains in the realm of theoretical physics and science fiction for now. However, advancements in quantum mechanics and theoretical physics keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Who knows what the future holds? Perhaps one day we'll unlock the secrets of time travel and embark on the most extraordinary journey ever imagined. Until then, keep dreaming, exploring, and embracing the wonder of the unknown. The universe is full of mysteries, and time travel might just be one of them. Thanks for watching.